Never miss a dose. Why medication reminders matter.
Consistently taking medication is vital for managing your health. Busy schedules and daily distractions make it easy to forget a dose. Automated reminders on your smartphone can help you stay on track, improve treatment effectiveness, and give you peace of mind. Setting up these reminders is simple, and the benefits can make a real difference in your well-being.
Using built-in smartphone apps.
Most smartphones have built-in apps that can serve as medication reminders. On iPhones, the Health app and Reminders app can schedule notifications. Android devices often come with Google Calendar or built-in reminder tools. Simply create a new reminder, set the time for each dose, and enable repeat notifications as needed for your medication schedule.
Exploring third-party medication reminder apps.
Specialized apps can offer extra features for medication management. Popular choices include Medisafe, mytherapy, and Mango Health. These apps allow you to input medication details, dosage, frequency, and receive custom alerts. Some even track missed doses, provide refill reminders, and offer health tips tailored to your medication needs.
Step by step, setting up a reminder.
To set up an automated reminder, open your chosen app or tool. Enter the medication name, dose, and time. Confirm the notification is active and ensure your phone's sound or vibration settings allow alerts to come through. For multiple medications, most apps support managing several reminders at once, helping you organize your daily regimen with ease.
Tips for staying on track with your medications.
Place your medication in a visible spot as an extra prompt and check reminders daily. Review your app's notification settings and consider syncing with family members or caregivers for support. Keep your medication list updated, especially if your treatment changes. Combining automated reminders with simple daily habits helps create a routine you can rely on.